Congratulations on the purchase of your new Morsø Forno Gas product. Here's a quick rundown on how to assemble it. Firstly, lift the lid and attach the handle using the 2 Phillips screws supplied. Now, insert the thermometer and fix using the wing nut supplied. Slide in the drip tray to stop any unwanted mess when cooking. Next, attach the gas hose. This can be difficult if the hose is cold, so you may find it easier to soften the end of the hose in hot water first. Now secure the hose using one of the Jubilee clips. Attach the regulator to the other end of the gas pipe. Again, using hot water may help, and secure using the other Jubilee clip. Now make sure all the control knobs are off. Attach the regulator to the gas bottle and turn it on. Using a brush or spray bottle, apply soapy water to all gas connections to check for leaks. If there are any bubbles, you have a leak. Just tighten the connection and check again. And that's it. Enjoy your new Morsø Forno Gas.